Welcome to Trade Pro. I've got a really fun video here testing out this strategy 100 times, but on the 1 minute time frame for Bitcoin. So this was one of my highest performing strategies that I've shown on the channel and tested 100 times so far. I tested it on the 30-minute time frame for a forex pair. I believe it was euro pound, and it gained 50% on the account over a series of 100 trades. So it combines the MACD and Chaikin money flow, and it's a trend following strategy. So the MACD gets you into the trend that's already established. Let me show you the setup, and then I'll test it 100 times on the 1 minute time frame for Bitcoin. And I think it's fun for me to test things like this and just see how they perform. You know, it's for fun, but who knows, maybe it's going to work really well. If not, it was still fun for me to do. So let me explain the strategy, stop loss, take profit, and everything, and then I will test it 100 times. So what we're looking for to get into a position, the signal and MACD line, so these colored lines, blue and orange lines, must start trending above or below the zero line of the histogram. So you can see over here they start trending above the zero line. Then you're just waiting until there's a cross down, and then the next cross up is your signal to enter. So once you get a close on the candle and it crosses up, such as right here, that's your entry signal to get into this trend. And you must make sure that the Chaikin money flow agrees. So on this right here, it does agree. Chaikin money flow is above the zero line, so you can take this buy signal. And stop loss is going to be 2 times ATR. So I just have this ATR multiplier indicator up, so I don't need to calculate it each time. And then you can target 2 times risk, although this strategy would probably be better using a trailing stop. This is how I did it on that original video, testing it on Forex on the 30-minute time frame. So I'm just going to repeat that method. And you know, if this works really well, I mean, it's worth trying a trailing stop method in the future. So, but anyway, this is this basic setup here. And let me see if I can just find a bad signal. Oh, also a signal where the Chaikin money flow saves. Okay, so here's a bad signal. This would be a buy, and you'd clearly get stopped out. This one right here is a bad signal, but you can't take it because Chaikin money flow doesn't let you. All right, so it can be good to have the Chaikin money flow. Someone commented on my last video saying Chaikin money flow doesn't work with MACD, but I've shown tons of examples, or have seen plenty of examples of it saving you from these bad entries like this one right here. So that's the strategy. You can check out that other video. It's just called Chaikin money flow plus MACD plus ATR strategy 100 times or something like that on my channel, and you'll find it. It's like the only thing with that name. If you want to see that strategy or that video testing it 100 times on the 30-minute time frame with Forex. So I think it's time that I test this 100 times on the 1 minute time frame for Bitcoin. Let's get into it. The results are in after 100 back-tested trades with a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. There were 47 winning trades, 53 losing trades, giving it a 47% win rate. The most winners in a row was 6, and the most losses taken in a row was 7. The gain on your account, assuming no fees, 41%, and that is when each winner is 2% on the account and each loss is minus 1% on the account due to the 2-to-1 reward risk ratio. So with this strategy, it really performed well on the 1 minute time frame for Bitcoin. Very similar results to the 30-minute time frame, euro, pound. So what could be improved here? Well, the losses in a row needs to be brought down. Well, it doesn't necessarily need to be brought down. 7% drawdown is actually just fine, but I think it could be brought down by moving the stop to break even, or even moving the stop to half risk of the original entry at a certain point. But some sort of trade management tactic would help this strategy perform even better. And also, it misses out on a lot of the bigger runs due to taking your whole profit at a set limit. So this could also do well with a indicator to get you out of the trade instead of just taking all your profit at 2 times your risk without having any, I don't know, real reason to take your profit. So other than that, you're at 2 times your risk, so you just exit. So this could be improved. Another thing I was thinking while testing was, I wonder how adding in volume with a moving average would do, just to kind of have like a sort of a set point where this is enough volume to enter, this is not enough volume, this move is probably not going to work out. It'd be interesting to test that as well. So adding all those things in all at once probably wouldn't tell us much, but that's why doing so much testing is important. If you were to take this strategy as it is and change one variable and see how that affects it, and then change one variable another way in another test, and then try and find out what works best and start combining those new additions and variables. Anyway, I'm kind of getting off topic, but you know what I'm saying. Test your strategies, try things out. It's fun. And if you don't enjoy the process, you're probably not going to succeed with trading. So anyway, that was a good test, and pretty cool that it works on a 1 minute time frame for Bitcoin, where the fees are much lower than Forex, and there aren't really spreads. The spreads are pretty much non-existent. So quite impressive. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.